my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with the exercise 14.1 children. In the last class, we have discussed about the introduction of that particular chapter and a few example problems we have discussed. Right. Now, we are going to deal with the exercise problem, exercise 14.1. You can take page number 220 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, so this chapter is fully based upon the factorization concept. So you should know what is meant by factor, and you should know what is how you will do the factorization, as we have discussed in the last class. The same thing we are going to discuss here today. Find the common factors of the given terms. So 12x is one term, 36 is another term. We should find the common factors of these two terms. Okay, so first 12x. Okay, how you will write this 12x? 4 3s are 12. 12 can be written as 4 3s are, correct? 4 again can be written as 2 2s are. Appo 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into x. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 into x, 12x. Now I am writing 36. 36 how you will write? 12 3s are 36, correct? Appo 12 how you will write? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Appo 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, because this 12 I wrote 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so this is what the factorization which I have done. In that, which is the common factors? 2 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. So common factors of 12x comma 36 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so or you can write 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Common factors of 12x comma 36 are 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the common factor of these two terms. Next, 2y and 22xy. So 2y, how you will write? 2 into y. 22y xy, how you will write it? 22, 11 2s are 22 into x into y, correct? 22 I am writing, 11 2s are into x into y. In that, y is common, 2 is common. So okay, so common factors of 2y comma 22xy is equal to 2 into y, because 2 is that into y. 2 into y, 2y. So common factors of 2y and 22xy is 2y. Okay. Next, I am going to give you third problem as your homework. Third subdivision is the homework. Okay. Now fourth subdivision, 2x comma 3x square comma 4. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms. 1 2 3. 2x is one term, 3x square is another term, 4 is another term. 2x is 2 into x, 3x square 3 into x into x, 4 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. So if 3 terms are there, what you should do? You should compare the 3 terms also. Check what is common in all the 3. No numbers are common in all the 3. So what you will write? Common factors of 2x comma 3x square 4 is 1. Listen children, if no common terms are there in all the 3 or all the 2 means the common factors will become 1. What you have done in your HCF? Yes, when all the 3 terms are numbers are there, in that the things also there is no common thing, means the common factor of these 3 terms is 1. Okay, if not, no number like this, no circling is there, you will start with the 1. Next, fifth problem, 6abc 24ab square 12a square b. 6abc, 6 how you will write? 2 3s are 6 into A into B into C. 6, 2 3s are 6, A into B into C. 24 how you write? 12 2s are 24, right? 12 how you write? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, you will get 24. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into A into B square means A into B into B. B square means B into B. 12 how you write? 2 into 2 into 3 into A square means A into A into B. In this, what are the values common? This 2 is common. Then, which is common? 3 is common. Then, A is common. Then, B is common. Okay. So, 2, 3, A, B. So, what you will write? Common factors of 6 ABC, 24 AB square, comma 12 A square B is 2 into 3 into A into B, which is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 into AB, 6AB. Okay, so 6AB is common in all the three. Okay. So listen children, but these two are common in only 2 terms. If it is common in all the 3 terms only, you will circle it. Okay. Next is your 6th problem. 16x square comma minus 4x square. So 16x cube comma minus 4x square comma 32x. Appo what are the 3 terms? 16x cube minus 4x square 32x. 16x square, 16 how you will write? 4 4s are 16, correct? 4 how you will write? 2 2s are 2 2s are. Appa 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 x cube x into x into x. Okay. Next, minus 4x square means minus 1 into 4 2 into 2. Minus na minus 1 into 4 how you will write? 2 2s are 4 into x. 32 how you will write? You can do prime factorization. See, 2 1s are 2, 6, 2 8 2s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 1 2 3 4 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2s are there into x. Now shall we combine the common terms? This 2 is common. This 2 is common. That's all. Then x is common. Any other thing is common? No. So common factors of 16x cube comma minus 4x square comma 32x is 2 into 2 into x. 2 2s are 4 into x 4x. So 4x is common in all the 3. Next, 7th problem is your homework children. 7th subdivision is your homework. Next is your 8th problem. 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square is z. 3x square means 3 into x into x into y into y into y. 3 into x square means x into x, y cube means y into y into y. 10 means 5 2s are 10, x cube means x into x into x, y square means y into y. 6 means 2 3s are 6, into x, y into y, z. Now can we do the common things? What is common? Any numbers are common? No. X, then another one x, then y, then another one more y. Okay. So 2x is common, 2y is common. So what we will write? Common factors of 3x square y cube, comma 10x cube y square, comma 6x square y square is x into y into y, which is nothing but x square y square. So x square, y square is common in all the three. See, x into x square, y into y square. So x square, y square is the answer. Understood? Next is your second problem, children. Factorize the following expressions. Now we are going to do the factorization. Like last problem, we should find the common factors and we should do the factorization. Okay, so now we will separate the terms. So terms is equal to 7x comma minus 42. Terms is 7x comma minus 42. In that, I don't want to include minus when I am doing the factorization. Yes, 7x how you will write? 7 into x. 42 how you will write? 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are right. So 7 into 6 how you will write? 2 3s are. Our 42 can be written as 7 into 2 into 3. 7 into 2 into 3. That's all. Yes. Now when you are doing what is the common thing in this? 7. Appo when I am writing 7x minus 42, instead of 7x how you will write? 7 into x you will write. Minus instead of 42 what you will write? 7 into 2 into 3 you will write. Correct? In that if I take 7 outside, which is common. Yes, do you remember the example problem? In these two, 7 is common. So I am taking 7 outside. Inside it what it is there? If I take 7 outside, what is there? X minus. If I take 7, what is there? 2 into 3 is there. 2 3s are 6. Appo 7 into x minus 6 is the factorized form. Okay. So if they ask you to factorize the expression, we are supposed to do like this. Next, second problem is the homework. Second subdivision is the homework. 7a square plus 14a. This is your third subdivision. So terms is equal to 7a square comma 14a. Terms is equal to 7a square comma 14a. 7a square is equal to 7 into a. Correct? 7a square means a into a. Next, 14a how you will write? 7 2s are 14 into a. In this common, 7 is common, a is common. Correct? So when I am writing 7a square plus 14a, how you will write 7a square? 7 into a plus 14a, 7 into 2 into a. So in this 7a, if I take outside, 7 into a, 7a. I am taking 7a outside. What if I take 7a outside, what is remaining? A plus, if I take 7a, what is remaining? 2. Upon 7a into a plus 2 is the answer. Okay. Next is your, see next is the third problem I have taught you here. Next is your fourth problem. What are the terms in this? Minus 16z plus 20z square z cube. What is the terms? Minus 16z comma 20z cube. So I told you where you should not include this minus, right? Upper 16z and 20z cube. How will you write 16, children? Can be written as 4 into 4. 4 how will you write? 2 2s are 2 2s are, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is 16, 16 into z. 20 how will you write? 2 into 10 into 2 into 10 is 20, right? 20 can be written as 2 into 10. This 10 how will you write? 5 2s are. Appo 10 can be written as 5 2s are. Into z cube means z into z into z. In that we have to choose the common term. 2 is common. This 2 is common. Z is common. So minus z 16 is z plus 20 is z cube is equal to minus 16 is z, but it is plus 16 is z. Upon minus of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z plus 2 into 5 into 2 into z into z into z. See, I have just written instead of the 16 is z, this values, 20 is z cube, this values, that's all. If I take 2 into 2 into z, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are, see, 2 2s are 4, 4 into z, 4 z. If I take 4 z outside, what is remaining? 2 2s are 4 into z. What is remaining here? 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus, if I take the 2 2s are 4 and z 1 z. If I take, what is remaining? 5 into z into z. Above 5 z square is there. 5 is there, z into z is there, 5z square is there. So this is what the factorized form. 4z into minus 4 plus 5z square is the answer. Next, sixth problem, 5x square y minus 15xy square. So first one, 5x square y terms. Okay, I am writing terms first. 5x square y comma minus 15xy square. So first 5x square y, how will write? 5 into x into x into y. 5 into x into x into y. Minus 15xy square is equal to, sorry, I don't want to include this minus as I already told you. 15, how will write? 5 3s are 15 into x into y square, y into y. Okay, in this 5 is common, x is common, y is common. Correct? So now 5x square y minus 15xy square is equal to, instead of 5x square y, I am writing 5 into x into y minus 5 into 3 into x into y into y. In that, if I take 5 into x into y, what will be outside? 5xy. 5 into x into y is 5xy outside. 5xy. What is remaining? X minus 5xy. What is remaining? 3 into y. 3y minus 3y is remaining. Above 5xy of x minus 3y is the answer of x minus 3y. Next is your seventh problem. See, I have given fifth problem as a homework, children. So this is your seventh problem. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. So in this 10a square terms, I am going to write it. 10a square comma minus 15b square comma 20c square. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. So 10a square, how will write? 5 2s are 10 into a into a. 15b square, I don't want to include the minus when I am doing here. 5 3s are 15 into b into b. Then 20c square. 20, how we will write? 10 2s are 20. 10, how we will write? 5 2s are into 2. Above 5 into 2 into 2 into c into c. So in this, which is common? Only 5 is common. Appo 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square is equal to 10a square. What you will write? 5 into 2 into a minus 15b square. What I will write? 5 into 3 into b plus 5 into 2 into 2 into c into c. In that, if I take 5 alone outside, what will be remaining? If I take 5 outside from all these 3, 2 into a, 2a square minus 3 into b, 3b square plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into c, 4c square. So this is the answer. Okay, understood? I am taking only 5 outside, children. Remaining and all you multiply it and write. That's all. Eighth problem. Minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Terms. Now I am going to write the terms. Minus 4a square comma 4ab comma minus 4ca. Appo I am writing only 4a square. I don't want to include this minus. 4 is 2 2s are 4. A square, a into a. Okay. Next, 4ab, how you will write? 4 2 into 2 into a into b. 4ca, how you will write? 2 into 2 into c into a. In this, 2 is common, this 2 is common, this a is common. Appo minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca is equal to 2 into 2 into a into a. First one I wrote minus 2 into 2 into a into a plus 4ab ke 2 into 2 into a into b minus 2 into 2 into c into a. Appo if I take 2 2s are 4, 4 into a, 4a. If I take 4a, what is remaining? Minus a. Here one minus is there, so minus a. Then 2 2s are 4, a if I take plus b. 2 2s are 4, a is there, minus c. So, 4a into minus a plus b minus c is the answer. Okay. Next, ninth problem, x square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square. So, x square yz, xy square z, xyz square is equal to x into x. X square means x into x into y into z. X into y into y into z because y square. Next, x into y into z into z. See here I am writing the terms, children. X square yz, comma x y square z, comma x y z square. In that I am writing all those things. Now, common thing, x y z. These are all common, right? Appo x y z, x square yz plus x y square z plus x y z square is equal to x into y into z, x y z into what is remaining here, x, then plus, or wait 1 minute, you write everything so it will be easy for you. X into y into z plus x into y into z plus x into y into z into z. So in this, if I take x into y into z, what answer? X y z into, if I take x y z, what is remaining? X plus x y z, what is remaining? Y. X y z, what is remaining? Z. So x y z of x plus y plus z is the answer. Next terms, 10th problem. See, it is as usual what we have done. Okay, that's why I'm going very fast. These three are the terms: a x square y, comma b x y square, comma c x y z. So a x square y is equal to a into x into y. B x y square is equal to b into x into y into y. C x y z is equal to c into x into y into z. So in this, which 3 is common? Which is common? X is common, y is common. That's all. Appo a x square y plus b x y square plus c x y z is equal to a into x into y plus b into x into y plus c into x into y into z. In that, if I take x into y, xy outside, what is there? Xy, if I take outside, what is there? A into x, ax plus xy, if I take outside, b into y is there, by plus xy, if I take outside, c into z, cz. So ax plus by plus cz is the answer. Understood? Today's class, we have discussed exercise 14.1, first two subdivisions, children. In the first subdivision, I have given you third and your seventh subdivision as your homework. Second subdivision, second one and fifth one as your homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.